Hello plant people, welcome back to my channel. So I've decided to do something new. I have thought of making a plant favorite video for every month. I'll be choosing few plants which are my favorite that particular month. So for the month of June, I've chosen 5 plants, and starting off with this Monstera albo, which I got as a tiny plant with just one leaf, and now it has given me 2 more leaves, and the variegation is just bomb. It's so beautiful. And then here we have the second plant, which I absolutely adore. The foliage is just stunning with splashes, and last month it decided to give me this beautiful blooms, and it's so beautiful and so refreshing, and I absolutely love this Hoya. It's not fussy at all. So yes, this was my second favorite. And then the third one is this Philodendron jungle boogie. I got this as a birthday gift to myself in the month of April, and it's been doing quite well, and it has also put out this new leaf, which is a little bit it has a little bit of orange tinge, and I have taken a cutting of this plant for my mom. It's in another pot, and so far it's been doing good. So yeah, that is the third plant. And then the fourth one here is one of my favorite begonia. I think it would be my favorite begonia, and that is Begonia iron cross. It's so beautiful, the foliage, it's so vibrant, and you can just spot it even from a distance. And it has also given out this beautiful flowers, and yes, I just love this begonia. It's a little fuzzy, and I've noticed that there are no pests in this plant. I mean, it doesn't attract any pests. So yeah, I just love this plant. And also I've propagated it by leaf propagation. I will link the video of that propagation somewhere here in the screen. And yeah, these are the flowers, and it's so beautiful. I just love this begonia. So this was my fourth plant in my June favorites. And then the last one here is this Oxalis. It is rather common, but I love it. It's like this little dancing butterflies fluttering, and I've just potted it up in this ice cream container or some reused container, and popped it into this decoupage upcycled tin. So yes, I'll also link the DIY video in the screen here. And then yeah, love the color. So this is my June favorite video. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, do give it a like, and if you're new to my channel, do consider subscribing for more such planty contents. I'll see you all in my next video. Take care.